A dragon.
What is that you have there?
A dragon!
What does it say? John, what does it say?
Wow.
Luke? Gus, what does it say?
Roar.
Ellie, how'd you sleep?
Oh, sorry, baby.
Ensley, how did you sleep?
I slept fantastic.
What'd we do today, Gus? Alright, Gus, try it again. What'd we do today?
We went to Blue Park, and then we went to the American Indian Museum.
Ellie, what did we do today?
Oh, I played with my aunt. Oh, and after that, I loved it a lot.
Which ant did you play with?
It starts with an E. Can you guess?
And Elvira?
No, Ainsley. Are you crazy?